All right, so here's the issue that the court has. Maybe the state has the same issue, maybe not. You have to be monitored. And you wanted the portable device removed so you could be monitored.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the f***'s going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Renee Esparza. All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, so what are we here for?
We're here for a compliance hearing, Judge.
Judge, so a supplemental report was sent into the court, alerting the court that it appeared that Mr. Esparza was not testing into the device, the ignition interlock device, as he should. After speaking with him and getting some additional information, there seems to be some conflict in the instructions that were provided.
Okay.
The instructions that were provided, with the expectations of probation in regards to ignition interlock indicates he should submit into the device 2 times a day at least. Typically, what as for DWI probation officers, we ask that they test into the device at least 3 times a day. As the court is aware, Mr. Esparza was given he was granted permission to travel for his business purposes, and that precludes him from being able to test for an extended amount of time. So that's why we're here today. When we sent in the supplemental report, the court wanted a compliance hearing.
All right, so here's my question. With regards to his traveling for work, is he traveling in a vehicle?
Not to my understanding, Judge, he's typically flying out, but he, if he is driving, I think you're being driven.
Yes, my wife and I own 2 wedding businesses, so my wife typically does drive majority of the time if we are traveling out of town. If not, it's the majority is flying out and coming back.
All right, so here's the issue that the court has. Maybe the state has the same issue, maybe not. You have to be monitored. And you wanted the portable device removed so you could be monitored. I've just been informed that there's a new device that is available. I know it would be an expense on top of the ignition interlock, but they now have the watch.
That's not being offered with probation at this time.
Why they send out these emails saying this is available? It's $5. Well, can an individual just do it?
It wouldn't be monitored by probation at this time.
All right, so there's a device, it's a watch. I think they say it's what is it, at $5 a day or $5 a week?
I believe it was $5 a day, Judge.
Still very costly.
He needs to test.
Judge, I do want to point out, he has submitted to UAs upon his return, and all of his UAs have been negative, Judge. He has complied with all of the conditions in completing all of his classes. Now, in the beginning of his probation, when he was granted probation, they did ask for, you mandated a felony drug court referral.
Mm-hmm.
Somehow that was not completed. He did do a TAP evaluation, and the TAP evaluation indicated possibly supportive outpatient treatment. So I didn't want to make the court aware of all of that. We did recently obtain a signed felony drug court referral, and Mr. Esparza does not has no quorums about going ahead and going through with the evaluation, Judge.
All right, state, what do you think?
Well, the state's position is, Judge, my understanding, talking to CLO, Sean, that limited amounts of time, maybe he leaves on a Thursday, he doesn't come back till Tuesday. And state's position is that the only other alternatives would be another device Of course, that is additional cost to the ignition interlock, but a portable device or scram, would be recommendation by the state.
Well, Judge, I asked if you consider just substituting the portable alcohol monitoring device, and he be monitored then every day, as opposed to there being a lapse for a couple of days. I believe you can order him to test on his return, which he has been doing. But if the court's concern is for monitoring every day, then I think the portable alcohol monitoring device would suffice for that.
But then we have a problem with driving a vehicle.
Provided a non-driving affidavit, that suffice.
I mean, I'm sure he has no issues with that. He has not been driving. He actually has, my understanding, he requested a official license, it was denied, so he currently cannot drive.
State, do you have any objection to having him on the portable device with a non-driving affidavit?
No, okay.
All right, then, so what the court will do is the court will alter and amend conditions to include portable alcohol monitoring device in lieu of ignition interlock.
Did you say ankle device, Jeff?
I said portable alcohol monitoring
sorry.
device. In lieu of, if you want that added, I'll add a GPS. In lieu of ignition interlock with an affidavit of non-driving.
And just to be clear with the expectations of the portable alcohol monitoring device is, he is to testing to the device 3 times a day.
Yes. So is there anything you don't understand about that?
Is it, is it gonna be the?
It's gonna be the handheld device.
It's the handheld to come off the card?
That's my understanding.
With the affidavit of not driving,
Okay, just so I mean,
you cannot drive.
so I can make those adjustments.
All right, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
Maybe
Judge.
excuse.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, Kimberly Essex.
I can't hear, ma'am.
All right, are you able to hear now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so today is your plea deadline date.
Oh, okay. What do you want me to do?
Well, I mean, do you want a jury trial or have you reached an agreement with the state?
I haven't reached an agreement with the state.
All right, counsel, how long do you think this jury trial will last?
Could be a few days. I'm not positive.
Okay, sorry.
What I was Hunter is the prosecutor on this, and he'll be back next week. The prosecutor was here, said she does not have the room to negotiate. And Miss Essex was just indicted on the 8th of April this year, and I was appointed on the 19th.
Yes.
I'm just requesting, waiting for plea deadline date for Monday so I can talk with her and Hunter. See if there's any chance to negotiate, an agreement.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, on this case, put it for Monday. There'll be no further extensions of plea deadline dates.
Is it an attorney visit?
I
Yeah, it's an
appreciate
attorney
that.
visit.
Thank you.
With Garcia? It says Matthew Allen. Oh, we'll slide with it.
All right, Miss Essex.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so let me just tell you something. When you
Okay,
are
sure.
ordered, when you are ordered to be in court, you're supposed to be in court. There will be none of this, oh, I refuse to come, because if you
Oh.
refuse to come, what's going to end up happening is the deputies are going to bring you anyway. And who do you think is going to end that argument when I tell the deputies to bring you? You're going to
I'm
lose
not-
that argument. So this whole childish thing where people are not coming because you have something better to do, or you just refuse to come, you will be brought over. And you're going to lose that argument when you get into an argument with the deputy about whether you're coming to court or not. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor. I thought it was June 29th.
Here's the thing.
That's it.
This is why people are at the Bexar County Jail in custody, because you have someone in authority telling you
Oh,
that
okay.
you're scheduled to go to court today, and your thing is, no, I'm not coming. So I'm telling you, the next time a deputy tells you that you have court, you better come. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.